Hello and good morning, students. Students, we have done properties of sets as well as some rules or some laws. Today we shall start one very important rule or law of these sets, that is De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. You must remember, must learn its statement. Let A and B are two sets. A and B are two sets. Then that is first one. Complement of A union B should equals to complement of A intersection complement of B. This is your first part. And the second one is the complement of A intersection B is equals to complement of A union complement of B. Now see its proof. See the first one. Complement of A union B is equals to complement of A intersection complement of B. So let us suppose X belongs to complement of A union B. It means you already know that if any element belongs to complement of set, it means it never belongs to that set. So X belongs to complement of A union B implies X does not belongs to A union B. So X does not belongs to A union B. It means X is neither in A nor in B. So X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B, because any element belongs to A union B must belongs to either in A or in B. But X here does not belongs to A union B. It means X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. So X does not belongs to A. It means X belongs to where? That is complement of A. So X belongs to complement of A and X also belongs to complement of B. So X belongs to A complement and X belongs to B complement. It means X is common member of A complement and B complement. So X belongs to their intersection means complement of A intersection complement of B. So if you write implies and is implied by, then you may write directly as from the definition of sets, A from definition of sets, complement of A union B is equals to complement of A intersection complement of B. This is your result. Now see its second part. In second part I will proceed only for implies only. Let your first and second part, A complement of A intersection B is equals to complement of A union complement of B. So let X be a member of complement of A intersection B. That means X belongs to complement of A intersection B. It means X does not belongs to complement of A intersection B. So X is common element of not a common element of A intersection B. It means A lies either in A or in B. So it should be written as X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. It means X does not belongs to A or X does not belongs to B. So X belongs to A complement or X belongs to B complement. X belongs to A complement or X belongs to B complement, any one of them. So X will belong to A complement union B complement. X belongs to A complement union B complement. So from the definition of sets, A complement of A intersection B complement of A intersection B is subset of A complement union B complement. This is your relation number 1. On the other hand, let another element, so let Y belongs to complement of A union complement of B. It means Y belongs to complement of A or Y belongs to complement of B. So Y belongs to complement of A or Y belongs to complement of B. This is according to the definition of union. Y belongs to complement of A means Y does not belongs to A and also Y does not belongs to B. So Y does not belongs to A and also Y does not belongs to B. See the changes. Or that is replaced by and here because Y does not belongs to any of the set. So Y does not belongs to means Y is not a common member of A and B. So Y does not belongs to A intersection B. Thus Y belongs to complement of A intersection B. This implies Y belongs to complement of A intersection B. So from definition of subsets, A complement union B complement will be subset of, hence from definition of subsets complement of A union complement of B is subset of complement of A intersection B. This is relation number 2. So see relation number 1 and relation number 2. Both sets, that means complement of A intersection B and A complement union B complement, both are subset to each other. So in that case these sets are equal. So from 1 and 2, we may write complement of A intersection B is equals to complement of A union complement of B. This is proof of De Morgan's law. Students, you must know this is one of very important point of this part of this sets. De Morgan's law is oftenly asked in examination in both way. Both way means either state and prove De Morgan's law, or you have to given some examples of set and asked to verify De Morgan's law. So you must remember that statement and how it is proved. Now see another question. If A and B are two sets, then prove that A minus B is equals to A intersection complement of B. Prove that A minus B is equals to A intersection B complement. This is only complement of B. So first consider, let X belongs to A minus B. So what is definition of difference of two sets? Means according to the definition of difference of two sets, X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. So it should be written as X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. So here you see that X does not belongs to B. It means X will belongs to complement of B. So X belongs to A and X belongs to complement of B. So what we conclude, that X is common member of A and B complement. That means X belongs to A intersection B complement. Therefore, from the definition of subsets, we should write as A minus B is subset of A intersection B complement. This is your relation number 1. On the other hand, let another element Y belongs to A intersection B complement. Y belongs to A intersection B complement it means y is common member of A and B complement. So y belongs to A and y belongs to complement of B. Y belongs to complement of B. It means y does not belongs to B. So it should be written as y belongs to A and y does not belongs to B. So y belongs to A and y does not belongs to B. It means y will belongs to A minus B. Again, from the definition of subsets, A intersection B complement should subset of A minus B. Therefore, we should write A intersection B complement is subset of A minus B. This is considered as relation number 2. Again, from relation number 1 and relation number 2, we can say from 1 and 2 we can say that both are equals to each other. From 1 and 2, A minus B should equals to A intersection complement of B, which is your result. So children, in this way we prove the different trigonometrical theorems, or you can say different trigonometrical properties. Now see next one. Your next is, that is, you may write question or theorem. For two sets A and B, for two sets A and B, prove that A is subset of B implies complement of B is subset of complement of A. It means A subset of B is given and you have to prove that B is subset of A. So first consider, this is your answer. So we have to prove B is subset of A. So consider X belongs to complement of B. X belongs to complement of B means X will not be a member of B. X does not belongs to B. A is subset of B. This is given. Means each element of B must belongs to some elements of B must belongs to A. X does not belongs to B. It means X does not belongs to A also. You may write, because each element of A must belongs to B. So X does not belongs to A. It means X belongs to where? Complement of A. So we conclude by this one, supposing X belongs to complement of B, and we arrived at a result that X belongs to complement of, does not belongs to complement of A. It means from the definition you have to prove only subset. So right here only implies. It means complement of B is subset of complement of A. This is one of very smallest theorem of the sets. Your next question is for any two sets prove that A minus B intersection B is equals to phi. So you have to prove it into same way. Let X belongs to A minus B intersection B. It means X belongs to A minus B and X belongs to B. X belongs to A minus B means X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B, and X does not belongs to B and X belongs to B. So this consider here, X does not belongs to B and X belongs to B. That never occurs simultaneously. X does not belongs to B and X belongs to B. That is never occurs, cannot hold simultaneously. So it is a contradiction. It is a contradiction. What is contradiction? What we have taken, X belongs to A minus B intersection B is wrong. Therefore, A minus B intersection B is equal to phi. So children, this theorem is proved by method of contradiction. In my next class, I will derive some more theorems, then we proceed for question. See carefully, understand carefully. If you have any doubt, then ask through WhatsApp, and after the class I will again give you some problem for practice. Till then, thank you.